Hi friends, my name is Rajendra and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. This video I brought you to enjoy the nature moments, find the way of happiness through the nature. So be happy and give the bounce back to adverse conditions, love the nature and get inspired by it. So I just brought you the different scenarios, beautiful nature scenario which is very peaceful to look into. So I will just pick you and take you to a different beautiful scenarios, and just we have to get inspired by nature, by strength. So as you know, today we are facing a very adverse condition to whole world, that due to the coronavirus, and whole world has got a steady in condition, right? So you are not supposed to give up, because if you see, then there is a sunrise. Every day sun rises, and every day it sunset, you can see. So we also has to take the learning from the nature, that we should not give up anything in our life. So there are always way which nature finds, right? Nature gives strength all of us to find a different kind of creativity, right? It adapts each and every the living being on this planet, because it accepts everyone. It never distinguishes between any animal or any kind of religion. That is the beauty of the nature, and we have to learn from this nature, that we always consider everyone as equal rights, right? If you see, there are different kind of living beings are existing in our whole world. So we always also can learn from mountain, that it will be steady in any condition, in advanced kind of any kind of climate. It stands alone, and always the sign of integrity, right? Whether it is a sunny days, the life cycle will run, or whether it will be a rainy season, the plants gives the nutrients to the living being. It will not you know give up from his main existing duty, right? So it, at any kind of condition, it gives a very beautiful you know smell, flowers and fruits. There are a number of things nature's provide us without thinking that who you are. So always we also from our life need to help others, love others, and share the happiness among us. That is the true nature which teaches us a lot. And I think we our duty is to follow the nature, because nature is everything. Without nature, there will not be a living being. Nature flourishes all human beings, or all kind of living beings on the planet. It gives the beauty, it gives the sense of living. That is the most admirable thing from nature. We can see how the flowers are blowing, flowers are flourishing, right? It gives the beauty, it gives the peace. You can see the universe, how the universe is protecting. to us. Right? You can learn from sea also that it is a very having a large potential, but it is a steady. So we should have patience like this. So today we are following the social distancing, right? Because of this virus, so we stay at home and always help the needy one and they enjoy the beautiful scenarios of nature with very beautiful moment, with a very beautiful music.
Nature is the beautiful gift given by God Almighty and different properties of nature because nature is everything for us. Nature created us, nurture us. So enjoy the beauty of nature and thank you very much for watching this. If you like this, then please share with your friend and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.